to our play. The title of this play is On My Way Home. It's about a jelly who gets tossed around in the ocean and has to try to find her way back home by going through the different layers of the ocean. We've been studying the ocean for this month, and so we thought we would do a play to celebrate. So we hope you enjoy it.
It's great to be a jelly. I drift along the waves, enjoy the warm sun, and gather into my long just drifting along. Wait a minute, the sky's getting darker, the wind getting wilder. Oh no, here comes a huge wave. Wow, that was rough. I can't even tell if my tentacles are up or down. There's so much water on top of me that it hurts. So cold I can't even see the sun. But I must be far away from home. Oh, is that funny? Looking animal where I am. Hey, animal! Hey, I'm not a horse. Well then, what are you? I'm a spiny lobster. Check out the skies. I look good for the ocean floor. I want the ocean on you. Don't you know? I'm a jelly. Like peanut butter and jelly? That's good, dude. I'm gonna shoot through the sky so I taste it. No thanks. I can't eat shrimp. I use cheese. Look, plankton near the surface of the ocean. I don't belong down here. The water is pushing me down, and it hurts. Yeah, you look totally squishy. I guess the water pressure is too much for you. You need to head up to the surface. Roll yourself before a shell I have. I don't know how to grow a hard shell, so I'll just head towards the surface. Well, I feel a little better now, even though I'm still chilly. What's that scary looking animal coming toward me? 1, 2, 3. Wait, stand still. Wait, stand still. Tell me who you are and where I am.
Mommy.
Can't stop. I'm training. We serve have to keep them fit. And swimming helps us breathe too. Come swim with me. I don't swim. I drift. I'm a jelly. Jelly? Yum. Sounds like food. Wait! Hey, watch it! I've got tentacles that can sting you. Really? Wait, don't jellies love up at the surface? You're in the open sea. Well, I know I can feel the sun where I live. Then head up. You're gonna get eaten down here for sure. Oh, what a beautiful flower.
Thanks, I know, I'm really something special.
Talking flower.
No, even though I'm so gorgeous, I'm not a flower, I'm a sea anemone.
Can you come closer so I can see you better?
I don't move, everything comes to me, even my food. Just floats in my arms. I'm just so beautiful, they can't resist me.
Wow, what a great way to live. I feel better up here near the surface. It's warmer, and the water pressure isn't squishing me. Can I live with you?
Well, you're not as beautiful as me, of course, but you do have tentacles, I suppose. But it's alright, just attach yourself to this coral next to me.
Attach myself? How?
Well, don't you have a strong muscle to attach yourself to coral? What kind of animal are you anyways?
I'm sorry, but I don't have any muscles at all. I'm a jelly. I don't have any muscles at all. Besides, that hard coral would hurt my fragile bell.
Coral, or dear, I didn't think you could be as strong and capable as I am. And you certainly aren't as pretty. Still, I wish you luck. If I were you, I'd head in toward shore.
In toward shore. Yes, there's the shore. I'll just float all the way in and out.
Hey, what are you doing disturbing my rest?
Sorry, I didn't see you here.
Well, watch where you're going next time, buddy. What are you anyway?
Jelly.
Then what are you doing here? You shouldn't be here. We don't need your in the tidal pool.
Why not?
Well, for one thing, there's too much room. Look, we've already got sea stars, sea cucumbers, and mussels, and barnacles, and it's just too crowded. And for another thing, you silly little jelly, you'll get hurt and it'll keep your tentacles already.
Oh no, we're all tangled in seaweed.
There, you see, you can't stay here. You gotta do something in the tidal pool.
I have nowhere to go. I mean, I've been everywhere and nowhere seems right.
Oh, you must have come from somewhere.
Yes, it was warm there, and I could feel the sun. And there were hardly any rocks or coral or seaweed. And I never got my tentacles stuck anywhere. There's plenty of plankton. It was wonderful, but I just can't find it.
Well, I don't believe there's such a place.
Oh, yes, there is. Yes, there is. Yes, there is. There is? Where?
Right out here, out here, out here. It's all of us. And lots of jelly like you there. It's only a few yards away, away, away.
A few yards? Is that close?
Come join us, join us, join us. We can float on the surface of the water and gather the plankton and soak in the sun.
Really? And will you come with me?
Of course, of course, of course, of course. We are there too.
All of you?
We always travel together, together, together. We're schooling fish.
Okay, here I come. Thank goodness, I'm heading home at last. I know, you don't really miss home till you're away from it. Wait for me.
All right, let me introduce you here. This is Destiny as our lobster, Lee as our shark, Keon